Here we have a SAT math problem. Okay, let's go to the question. For which value of a does the quadratic equation 7x negative 8 the whole square positive 9 equals to a have only one solution? Let me take the quadratic equation as it is. That is 7x negative 8 the whole square positive 9 equals to a. Okay, in our first step, we have to isolate the square root term. For that, we have to get up this positive 9. Okay, let me subtract a 9 from both sides of this equation. Then this positive 9, negative 9 will cancel out. I am getting 7x negative 8 the whole square equals to a negative 9. Here we have isolated the square root term. Now, if I want this quadratic equation to have only one solution, then the square root term must be equal to 0. That is, the value we have on the right side must be 0. So here, if a negative 9 equals to 0, then we get a equals to 9. So that is, when a equals to 9, the given quadratic equation has only one solution. Okay, now let's see if the value on the right side is 0, how this quadratic equation will have only one solution. Okay, now let's have a check. That is 7x negative 8 the whole square. Instead of a negative 9, let's write 0 here. Now let's solve for x in this quadratic equation. For that, we have to get up this exponent too. Okay, let me take a square root on both sides of this equation. On the left side, the square root and square will cancel out. Then we get 7x negative 8 equals to, usually when we take square root on both sides of an equation, one of the square roots will cancel out, and for the other square root we have to consider positive or negative sign. But here we have 0 inside the square root. Even if I take positive or negative, I'm still getting 0 here, but 0 doesn't have positive or negative sign, so we can ignore positive or negative sign. So the result for square root of 0 is just 0. Okay, now let's solve for x in this equation. Let me add 8 to both sides. Then this negative 8 positive 8 will cancel out. I am getting 7x equals to 8. Let's divide both sides by 7. Then this 7 will cancel out. I am getting x equals to 8 over 7. Here we got only one value for x. That is, in this quadratic equation, if the value of a negative 9 on the right side is 0, then there is only one solution for the given quadratic equation. So when a equals to 9, the given quadratic equation has only one solution.